India has around 6 million child laborers, who work in jobs such as farming, embroidering and carpet making. A group of experts from around the world wrote in a British paper on December 18 that banning child labor is a bad idea. They were responding to recommendations made by a UN body called the Committee on the Rights of the Child. This UN committee asked for countries to set a minimum age under which children wouldn't be allowed to work. This is effectively a request to ban child labor. In India, the minimum age has been set at 14 since 1986. The experts opposed to a child labor ban say that setting a minimum age does more harm than good. Stopping kids under 14 from working prevents them from earning an income and keeps their families stuck in poverty. Apart from that, a non-profit in the Indian city of Bangalore, the Concern for Working Children, says a ban on child labor criminalizes kids. Raids are often conducted on Indian factories to rescue these young workers. But after that, they get placed in children's homes and are left to suffer as they navigate India's justice system. After they come out, the kids end up going back to work, only in more hazardous jobs. The group of experts accepts child labor, as long as it isn't dangerous, and gives kids time to get an education. The answer for them lies in dealing with the poverty that leads to child labor, not a complete ban.